It's all my mechanical watches. Old pocket watch. 1885 Elgin. I don't remember any of the model numbers at all, but this Hamilton. That's gorgeous. Look. I do have a smartwatch. I don't wear it. You can see how dusty it is. But I buy mechanical watches. Look at this Hamilton. Oh, and a Seiko. Now, they ain't $1 million watches, but they're very nice watches. And no, I haven't set the date on the Seiko. But the Hamilton, that's my favorite. That's my favorite watch. That's great. Hang on. And the Seiko, I can't remember if when you wear them, they're self-winding. That's my two favorite watches. That green is just luxurious as hell. I love that green. This is the one, if I'm sitting in the doctor's office or something, it won't be so bad when they make me wait an hour past my appointment time, because I'm going to be watching this one. I'm going to just like to watch it run. Put it in my ear. Hear it run. I don't know. I mean, I know what I paid for them, and that's none of your damn business, but I don't know what they're worth. I'm not going to sell them. That green, man. Look at that green. I love that Seiko. That Hamilton. Oh my God. That's my favorite watch I ever had. All mechanical. All have to be wound. And that's just, yeah, that's $100 pocket watch I got somewhere. That one, it's got Mom's Indian Buffalo and her grandmother's Irish Triskelion. Oh yeah, and I wear it in my pocket watch whenever I wear blue jeans. I wear this. This is my watch. I don't look at the goddamn cell phone. I look at that. When I'm out somewhere nice, wear that or that. And the Hamilton, the blue one's bigger, the green one's smaller. But everybody wants to watch it. All the men, the trend now is watches this goddamn big. Like Humvees for watches. I don't give a shit about trends. If I see something I think is beautiful, I'm gonna buy it. And I'm gonna wear it. And I'm gonna love it. But this one, holy shit. This one, Hamilton, is my favorite of all. This is my favorite of all. This one ain't run in a couple months. These two haven't run in a couple years just because I just haven't went out. Damn.